Hey, what's up, you guys? Yes.
Wait, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Yes. Today we are going to be doing Chocolate Bell ice cream.
In today's video, this is my sister, Logan. She has a channel. I think it's just called Logan Lund. But yes, in this video, my sister is going to be doing my makeup. Whenever she's ready, I guess. I have to like really squeeze it because I've used a lot of it.
Oh my god.
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah. Do you twist it or do you pull it?
Twist.
I'll be disappointed. You're my sister. You never taught me. She's done my... No, you've never done my makeup. Yeah, I was going to say, I've done hers many times, but she's never done mine. I usually let nobody do my makeup. I think Josh's the only person that's ever done my makeup. How bad do you do? You should. Where's your... rubber?
Beauty blender has been found.
So happy! Usually, I'm not scared, but I feel like you're going to punch me in the face. Yeah! Come on, go in! That's not how you do it.
This.
Fling.
Do not be Zoolander.
I was thinking more Flynn Rider.
Who's that? Oh!
Get ready for the...
Okay, so we put a little bit of lighter stuff on the face. Lighter, not lighter than skin tone. Opposite from mother. Yeah, really. Yeah. Give them the crevices.
Every little crevice must be covered.
Scones. Scone.
I gotta buff it out, bruh. Little brush, little baby brush.
I own a baby brush.
Ew. We can get on the lid. You look like Warrior Princess. We'll get that in a second. Oh my god! Fall Out Boy's here.
Hey, that's a good one.
Yeah, I know. Obviously, because I made it. Oh my. Okay, now you're gonna have a pink tart stuff. That's okay. That's okay. I'm so excited to do your eyebrows. No swearing in my good Christian household. We go pray. You go in your corner and pray. Okay.
Puts a cross on my forehead. Shut up.
Pixie dust away. And the way we...
It's actually called diamond dust.
It's called pixie dust, actually. Get on my level. Now we take this and do, over here. Okay, we're gonna wipe it off so we don't get any more because we're gonna blend that in, girl. Yeah. Oh, yes. Drag queen RuPaul, call a girl up. Yes.
Oh, God.
I love that. Okay. Okay, so this is the eyebrow pencil. No, it isn't. Tools. It's not, okay, I'm sorry. I'll get a little bit of that clumpy doo-doo off. Okay, so we want them drag queen for the gold. Wait. Oh. I totally missed. I totally went down here. Totally missed. How did I miss? I missed.
Oh, that was never there in the first place. No one tell, I've never done eyebrows. It looks like an outline for a car.
Next. Now the okay, gotta make them twins, not sisters.
You mean sisters, not twins.
Shh. Oh, I totally forgot the eyeliner on the other one. Totally forgot. I looked, I was like, wait a minute. One eye.
No one tried.
Your nose helps a lot. It's like a coffee table. Okay. But I'm not gonna do no ordinary brows, no. We're going to
Oh.
put a little bit at the tippies. Just to like bring out life. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Let's just pretend. We're gonna go with dark Asian. I just offended a nation. I am Dr. Susan. No one. Okay.
Oh, that did rhyme.
Like this. I'm going for all drag. All of it. Oh! We're gonna use the tippy then. That's not dark at all. I love it.
I bet.
Okay.
At this point, I'm just letting you out.
Honestly, I did try, but I didn't know how dark your stuff was, so that's not my fault. New drag name is Shalana.
Sure.
Shalana. No. Go with a little bit of peach. And then some.
Hallelujah.
Okay, go. Oh, she.
I've never done that, but.
It's a new technique in the industry. We are doing, We're gonna move on. Jaws.
Tickle, wickle, wickle.
Oh, look at me. Oh, girl. Shanana who? Oh, Beyonce where?
Oh my god.
J-Lo got shook. Okay, we're gonna do the cheekbones with, this precious little android. Okay, this brush can suck my K, okay.
I told you.
Ooh, zebra. Wait.
I hate you.
We should have to do the eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna put some white because, like, you need a little bit more shine. Like, it's not really shiny enough because, like, I need some shine. Okay, what was I doing? Eyeliner. So, hi kids. I wanted one of those Instagram things with the wing, like a little one under it. Yeah, oh my god, you look like a flower. But like nobody picks her. I'm art!
I hate you.
Oh my god, Daisy Sunflower. Mascara,
Oh, great.
my favorite. Yours just because mine I go up to here and you goes. I look at your eyes are stuck together. Oh, it didn't even work. I just want to like darken up yourself a little bit. Just like a, cause that's what all drag queens do. I'm not gonna do anything, just so you can barely even see it. Oh wait, you know what? Drag queens always had their. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit. Oh my god, I look like, I feel like I'm doing just you. Because you always like have your eyeshadow all the way up to your goddamn ears. Poppy, come here. Okay, now we have lips. Lips are lips. Outlining first with this. No, we're not. Man, I love this. I can't do left hand, so. Damn you, left hand. So again, it doesn't matter if it gets on your skin because that's where the lips end. You don't really got much lip, but.
I have bigger lips than you.
Move again, I dare you! Yeah, it's so funny when it gets all over your teeth. It gets long and you die. Okay, like what am I doing? I forgot to put the outline in. Did anyone tell you you look like Beyonce? No, they usually tell me I look like Shalissa. Shalissa, me nigga. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm fine. Absurd. The middle is where it's like. Rub, ew. Never using that. You look like toffee a little bit, like a little bit of coffee in the middle of your lips. Make it dewy.
It's literally oil.
Yeah, I know. Oh my god, now you really look like what a drag queen. I really enjoyed the eyeliner. Because you look like a flower.
Okay, I didn't think it was gonna be like this.
My inspiration was drag.
So this is my makeup look, guys.
Hit it with the.
Everyone go subscribe to my sister. She makes vlogs. Sometimes she makes vlogs. Sometimes she doesn't. Please go like and subscribe for more.
If you want to see more looks like this.
Bye, guys!
I'm trying to be like. That was a
That was
tap.
attack.
Yep. Like the stuff that feels like actual pus. You know?
We have stuff everywhere.
Holy shikaka! My eye.
Like.
What?
Where is that? Logan? Come back! Is it over there? Wait, close the eye. Get the corner of the eye. Get the corner.
I have like 4 eyeshadow palettes, and you decided to use a single eyeshadow.
Because I'm being extra. Wait. Extraordinary.
What are you doing?
Kill self.
Get out of that. Hey! Cut it out right now.
Look, that's a new look.
Mona!
Ah! Is it an eye? That's okay. Oh, it's so pretty.
There's a lot of emphasis on the P. Doesn't even have to.
Nobody knows what you're saying.
I don't even know what I'm saying.
Now you know why half my stuff is ruined. Earthquake, Hurricane Katrina, more like Hurricane. I need to go on a diet.
Well, quiet down.
I am so sorry.
Can't hear TV.
I cannot hear TV. You would say I can't hear that. I can't hear TV.
Get Shane Dawson where it thinks it's the new Shane Dawson.
Incorrect. Doesn't go up.